Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger.
If you're an entrepreneur, you should read these 5 books. They'll help you grow as a business owner and help you make wise decisions. Entrepreneurship is one of the most important things you can do in life. It requires hard work, dedication, and a lot of passion. However, it's not an easy task, which is why it's important to read books that can help you on your way. These are the books that have assisted me in gaining the information I require to run numerous businesses and becoming successful. If you take the time to study these books and put what you've learned into practice, you'll have a better chance of succeeding in your entrepreneurial endeavors. So let's start with The Lean Startup. The Lean Startup is a business book that was written by Eric Ries. The book focuses on concepts of the Lean Startup, which is a methodology for building and running startups. The main idea behind Lean Startup is that the startups should focus on creating value for their customers, rather than on creating a product. This means that startups should consistently be testing their hypothesis about what customers want and then acting on those hypotheses until they find a product that customers actually want to buy. The Lean Startup is not a how-to guide, but it does provide a framework for starting a business. Ries argues that startups should focus on creating value for their customers instead of trying to make money. He also recommends using a prototype to test new ideas. The Lean Startup has been praised by many business experts and has been translated into over 20 languages. The next book on the list is The Millionaire Fastlane. In The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco, the author stresses the importance of creating and working towards specific goals. The traditional path to becoming a millionaire is to start with a small business and grow it over time. However, this process can be slow and grueling. DeMarco offers an alternative route to wealth called the Millionaire Fastlane. This approach involves investing in assets and businesses that will generate income quickly and allow you to become financially independent in a shorter amount of time. DeMarco's book stresses the importance of creating something new and working hard to achieve success. He argues that the traditional routes to wealth and success, such as going to school and getting a good job, are no longer effective in the current economy. Instead, he recommends creating your own business or becoming an entrepreneur. He provides detailed instructions on how to do that, including how to find opportunities and creating a business plan. DeMarco outlines 3 steps that are essential to following the Millionaire Fastlane, and that is create a plan, invest in assets, and automate your finances. In order to create a plan, you need to identify your goals and what you need to do to achieve them. The next book on the list is The Art of Possibility. In The Art of Possibility, Benjamin Zander and Rosamund Stone Zander explore the power of possibilities in all aspects of life. The book is a business book, but its lessons can be applied to all areas of life. The authors argue the possibilities open up new opportunities and allow us to see the world in a different way. They provide exercise to help readers learn how to tap into the power of possibility and create changes in their lives. The Art of Possibility is a book that basically explores the power of possibility. The book contains a variety of exercises and stories designed to help the readers open up to new possibilities in their lives. The Zanders argue that by expanding our senses of what is possible, we can create more fulfilling and meaningful life. One of the key messages of the book is that we need to let go of our judgments and assumptions in order to see possibilities. We need to be open-minded and willing to experiment in order to create change. Another message is that we need to act with purpose and intentionality. We need to be clear about what we want and then take action towards achieving our goals. The Power of Intention is another book that's helped me a lot over the years. In his business book, The Power of Intention, Dr. Wayne Dyer draws from his personal experience and those of other successful people to explore the concept of intention. Dyer defines intention as the highest form of thought and believes that setting intentions rather than making resolution is the key to achieving success. In his book, The Power of Intentions, Wayne Dyer discusses the idea that our intentions create our reality. He argues that if we focus on what we want rather than on what we don't, we can create a positive reality for ourselves. Dyer draws from his own personal experience to support his argument, and he provides readers with specific techniques for putting this theory into practice. Power of Intention is not a self-help book in the traditional sense, but rather a guide to understanding the power of thought and how to use it to create what we want in life. Dyer offers readers a number of tips for setting and achieving goals, including writing down your intentions, focusing on positive thoughts, and avoid self-defeating behaviors. The book is based on the principle that our thoughts create our reality, and that by changing our thoughts, we can change our lives. Now, I would say that this book is one that really changed my course as far as being able to focus on being an entrepreneur and trying to work less hours, but doing more. The 4-hour work week is a book by Tim Ferriss. It was published in 2007, and the book's summary is as follows. In the 4-Hour Workweek, Tim Ferriss offers a new perspective on how to live a successful life. The book argues that individuals should focus on automating their lives and working only 4 hours per week in order to achieve more freedom and happiness. While the ideas put forth in the book may seem impractical to some, Ferriss provides research and case studies to back up his claims. The 4-Hour Workweek is about how to reduce your working hours to just 4 hours a week while maintaining the same level of income. The key is to automating your business and outsourcing everything you can. Ferriss also recommends eliminating unnecessary expenses such as car payments and mortgages so that you can work less and enjoy life more. In conclusion, if you're an entrepreneur, then you should read these 5 books. They'll help you grow as a business owner and help you make wise decisions. Each of these books has something unique to offer, so be sure to read them all. You can find the links to these books in the description box below. And if you enjoyed today's video for entrepreneurs and have not already subscribed to the channel, do it now so you don't miss our next video. And if you hit the like button, it helps this content get found by other viewers on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.